Hello students, today we are going to discuss technique polymerase chain reaction, that is also called PCR. It is topic for 4th semester paper 1. As we know, PCR is called polymerase chain reaction. It is basically an amplification method through which multiple copies of specific DNA, or you can say desired DNA segment, can be produced. Its applications are in different fields of molecular biology, microbiology, genetics, clinical diagnosis, forensic science, hereditary studies, etc. We can here study that what is the use of PCR. We can use PCR in detecting infectious agents. It helps in cancer diagnosis. It can be helpful in genetic disease and paternity testing. First, we should know what is the requirement of PCR, what we need to complete this process. So, first, we should have a DNA template which is copied, usually extracted and purified from the blood or other tissue. Second requirement is the primer, which is single stranded oligonucleotides that match exactly the beginning and end of the DNA template, which is generated synthetically. And third requirement is a Taq DNA polymerase enzyme to synthesize DNA. And then we need DNTPs, that is deoxyribonucleotide triphosphate. We need buffer solution and magnesium chloride salt solution. For operating PCR, thermocycler is used, and there are basically 3 steps. First step is denaturation, second step is annealing, and third step is extension. So we can study these steps, we can understand these steps through this diagram. Here we can see that double stranded DNA is used. It is in first step is this double helix DNA is denatured at high temperature in thermocycler, and temperature is about 95 degrees centigrade. Through this high temperature, this double helix DNA is gets separated into single stranded DNA, and these complementary strands get separated, and this is the DNA region which should be copied. This is marked by the arrow. And in the second step, thermocycler is cooled down up to 55 to 60 degrees centigrade. And here second step is proceed, which is called annealing. In annealing, in original DNA strands, which is marked by here black line and blue line, primer is annealed, which is complementary sequence on the DNA. And after that, primer get attached to these parental strands of DNA. Thermocycler is heated up to 72 degrees centigrade, and then DNA polymerase enzyme, that is also here called Taq DNA polymerase, come into the picture and synthesize DNA segment in 5' to 3' direction. In this way, we can see here that single stranded DNA is converted into double stranded DNA. Here original DNA has been replicated. This black strand you can see, that is the parental strand, and this blue is the parental strand, but this orange line indicate that it is a replicated new strand. In this way we get 2 DNA copies, and after that when we again proceed through PCR, we can multiply these copies, because we get, when in first step by heating the thermocycler at 95 degrees centigrade, we get 4 template available for the polymerase to copy, and same step, denaturation, annealing and extension is proceed, through which we can get multiple copies. In this way, roughly 1 million copies are made after 20 cycles. In this way, we can say that PCR or polymerase chain reaction is very important for us in the field of molecular biology, or you can say biotechnology. Thank you.